Hello my dear students, today we will learn double letters word. So double letter words, it means words that come together into identical letters. So we often use letters like double E, double O and double L as double letters in some words. So today we some words read double letter. F-double-E-T, feed. S-double-E-D, sheed. B-double-E-C-H, beach. H-double-E-D, heed. V, W-double-E-P, weep. M-double-E-K, meek. F-double-E-D, feed. L-double-E-K, lick. W-double-E-D, weed. D-double-E-P, dip. L-double-E-C-H, leech. S-double-E-C. So let's come double O words. B-double-O-T, boot. B-double-O-N, boon. N-double-O-K, nook. H-double-O-T, hoot. R-double-O-M, room. C-double-O-L, cool. R-double-O-T, root. F-double-O-L, full. F-double-O-D, food. T-double-O-T-H, tooth. M-double-O-N, moon. R-double-O-F, roof. So next we will learn double L words. So B-A-double-L, ball. P-U-double-L, pull. H-I-double-L, hill. F-U-double-L, full. W-E-double-L, well. P-O-double-L, pole. T-O-double-L, tall. H-A-double-L, hall. S-H-E-double-L, cell. C-A-double-L, call. R-O-double-L, roll. B-U-double-L, bull. So, students, today we will learn double letter words. So that's double letter words is finished. Hello my dear. Hello student. This is worksheet of as homework. So fill in textbook and same as write in notebook. So look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with correctable letter. So B-double-O-T, boot. D-O-double-L, doll. W-double-O-L, wool. W-E-double-L, well. M-double-O-N, moon. S-H-double-E-P, sheep. S-double-E-D, seed. B-E-double-L-S, bells. T-double-O-L-S, tools. So we will write in textbook and this exercise write in also notebook.